All right, everyone. I want to welcome you again to the Insider's Crypto Profit Code. Now, here's what you're going to discover today, and I'm more pumped than ever about cryptocurrencies. I want to say, especially after seeing how several of my picks have skyrocketed in the last few weeks. Now, with this in mind, here's what we're going to be talking about today. First, we're going to talk about how to cash in on the $500 billion and growing cryptocurrency market. We're also going to discuss how to gain up to 25,000% in profits on our next crypto play and how to start making money through investing and trading cryptocurrencies. Now, I want you to go ahead and take just about 5 to 10 seconds and read through this disclaimer. It's a standard risk disclaimer. I want to make sure that you understand that there are risks associated with any investment vehicle, not just cryptocurrencies, but all investment vehicles. So go ahead and take about 5 more seconds and read through this. All right, with that out of the way, let me share my goal with you today. It's pure and simple, and it's to show you how to make money investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies and how to help you collect gains of 500%, 1,000%, even as much as 25,000% from this new money revolution, okay? Now, that may sound astronomical, but listen, we've seen gains this year in 2017 of 25,000% and more from a lot of the plays that have been out there and that I'll be showing you today. Some of our big winners, 3 of our recent picks that our members have been able to cash in on are Zcoin. Zcoin right now, which I recommended at $7.17 back in August, has hit a high of $67.37. That's a 939% gain. Every $1,000 turns into $9,390. I also recommended Populous back in early August as well when it was priced at $3.65. Now today it's at a $41.85 price for a fantastic gain of 1,152%. And then there's EOS, which is up 1,368%. I recommended this a few months ago at 60 cents, and it hit a high of $8.21 just today. That's a gain of 1,368%. So are you ready for gains like these? Go ahead and say yes right now. It's important to say yes. Now, I'm also going to share my Insider Crypto Profit Code. This code really gives you a roadmap to follow so that you can profit from the once-in-a-lifetime crypto opportunities and potentially see gains just like I shared. Now, I must confess that I also have another goal. You see, my goal is to wow you with so much free information, and I'm going to give you my entire system during this, what I call my clues system. So hold on just a second because I'm going to show you how I find these cryptocurrencies. But my goal is to wow you with so much free information that you're going to want to join Bitcoin Mentor Club at an incredible, better than public price. Now, however, if I don't deliver value today, then I absolutely insist that you don't think 1 second about investing in what I'm going to offer, no matter how good the deal is, okay? Now, if that sounds fair, let's go ahead and keep going, okay? You see, I believe that more millionaires are going to be created by Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies than any other time in history. However, it's vital that you know which cryptos to buy and when to buy them, how long to hold on to them for, and when it's time to take profits off the table. Now, what makes this market so different? Okay, leading up to this event, I get a lot of emails with a very similar question. That is, what makes this crypto market so different and so unique? And I get it because for a lot of folks, it may seem like an impossibility to generate 500% or 1,000% or 5,000% or 25,000% gains and more from this seemingly little known market. I mean, let's face it, these types of gains really are mind-boggling, right? Ultimately, I believe folks need to be educated, which is why I built a high-level crypto team to help me educate and empower you with the training and the tools that you need to make wise crypto investing decisions so that you can create a crypto fortune. Now, I think about my reasons why when I get up every morning and I put so much time into my research and into my investing and my education. And this is what I think about when I think about my reason why. Okay, I think about my kids, my wife, my family, and how I want a better future for them. Okay, they're obviously, as you can see, a great little bunch, right? And I don't ever want them to worry about taking care of me when I hit retirement age. I also think about all the men and women out there who will be forced to work well beyond the age that they retire because they either did not save enough or they did not make enough of a return on their investments when they had a chance. I really do feel call to help as many others as I can create the financial independence that they deserve. My goal with the Bitcoin Mentor Club and with Infinitus Investment Research is to impact 100,000 people with the tools and the empowerment and the education to take advantage of this life-changing market right now. Now, here's a little bit about me, a little bit about my story. If you don't know me, I'll officially introduce myself, and I'll keep this brief. My name is Cecil Robles. I'm the CEO and Chief Investment Officer of Infinitus Investment Research. I started investing in alternative investments like foreign currencies and commodity futures when I was just 21 years old. And then in 2006, I had done so well that a publisher approached me when I was 25 years old and asked me to write the book, How to Profit from the Falling Dollar. Now, in that book, I predicted the '08 housing bubble, the rise in the price of gold, oil at $140 a barrel, the rise of China as a financial powerhouse, and a lot more. And I also, after that, launched and grew a multi-million-dollar trading and investment firm back in 2008, capitalizing on my trading skills, right? In 2011, that's when I invested my first dollars in Bitcoin. And by 2013, I had made a whopping 1,400% profit after Bitcoin hit $1,000. You know, I just had a gut feeling that something extraordinary was happening. So that's when, soon after, I launched the Bitcoin Mentor Club. And members to date have already generated and seen gains of over 10,000%. And my focus is really to provide invaluable perspective and crypto knowledge that you're not going to find anywhere else. So after doing this for 15 years, I've come to realize this. Number one, big investments and big investment opportunities that can dramatically change your financial future in your life don't come around very often. And when they do, you must do everything in your power to take advantage of them. And that's why you're here educating yourself right now. The second thing that I've learned is that to capitalize on the big opportunities that do come your way requires that you have a plan, and a very detailed plan. And that's what I want to share with you today. My plan. I want to share my plan for capitalizing on these big opportunities. And then third, I want you to realize that it's never too late. It doesn't matter if you're 30 or you're 80. You can capitalize on this market within the next 1 to 2 to 3 years, because I believe that's the window of opportunity that we have. It doesn't matter where you are in life right now financially. You can make something better of yourself, for your family, and the generations to come. Now, here's the thing. I discovered this the hard way. You get to enjoy the easy way today. So here's the hard way. Okay, here's my story, and your heart's probably gonna sink like mine did. But in 2011, I bought 100 Bitcoins for $10 a piece. Now, this was just one of those, kind of throw it at the wall and see what sticks investments. My investment focus at the time was really elsewhere. And so I forgot about my Bitcoin until the price shot up to over $140 a Bitcoin in 2013. And then my buddy called me and he said, man, have you seen the price of Bitcoin? And I went and checked it out and I said, sell, sell, sell. And then at that point, I sold every Bitcoin that I had at $140. And I thought I was, the oracle of cryptos, right? Because I had made a nice 1,300% gain. However, and here's the big however, or the big but is what I like to call it. Had I held on to those same coins until today, my $1,000 initial investment would be worth well over $1.5 million. So talk about kicking myself, right? And man, I just, but I don't live by regrets, and that's why I kept moving forward. When the price hit $1,000, I jumped back in with full force. I started to educate myself and started investing in Bitcoin and many, many other cryptocurrencies. So today I'm going to show you a better way. Okay, so that you can profit from the amazing money-making opportunity that you now have with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. So do you want the easy way that does not require you to do it all yourself? Let me know. Tell me yes right now. Let me know you want the easy way. Say yes to yourself if you don't want to type it in, okay? All right, so here's the incredible thing. Here's the incredible thing. This crypto wave is just getting started. I want you to keep in mind that Bitcoin is only 7 years old, okay, going on 8 years. To put this in perspective, it's like the internet was back in 1990 when computer scientist Tim Berners-Lee invented the World Wide Web. In other words, we're at the very early stages. It took really 6 years for companies to really come on the stage, and companies that would obviously revolutionize and change certain industries like Amazon and then Google later on. and Netflix and a number of others that are still here today that really revolutionized and changed the way that we live our lives. Now, none of this, and the good news is really that none of this has hit the masses yet, which is why the opportunity is so incredible right now, okay? Now, the best part, you can turn a small $100 investment into a very real fortune. For most folks, this may be the most attractive thing about cryptos is that you can start small and quickly build $1 million fortune. Okay, so let's start with an important question here. What exactly is Bitcoin? Okay, because some of you in the audience may just be hearing about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Some of you may have heard about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for the last year or two, maybe 3 years or more. No matter what stage you're in, it's still important that you understand the fundamentals and the underlying purpose behind Bitcoin. Okay, so what is Bitcoin? Well, in essence, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and others are peer-to-peer electronic cash systems, much like a peer-to-peer network for file sharing. Okay, because it is a digital and decentralized currency, Bitcoin gives you the freedom to transfer value from one entity to another without an intermediary. Now, there is no government or bank that controls the exchange of Bitcoin or cryptos between two different parties. And it is a form of currency like our physical money supply, except that it is digital, which means that it is computer-based. Okay, and here's some things that make Bitcoin so special that I think you should know. First of all, it's fast and it's global. You can do business and buy things anywhere in the world in real time, no delays. Your Bitcoin and cryptos are completely secure. You have a private key for any and all Bitcoin or cryptos that you invest in. So without getting too technical, it has to do with the complex math and computing code, which makes Bitcoin and cryptos pretty much unhackable. Okay. Now, also, most cryptocurrencies limit the supply of the tokens with a schedule that's written into the computer code. And this means that the value will always rise as the number of coins increase in circulation and ownership. Okay. So as user base grows, the value grows. So what gets me as excited about Bitcoin reaching a price of $100,000 by the end of 2018 is the underlying technology behind Bitcoin, which is known as blockchain. Blockchain is what makes Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies possible, okay? So I want you to look at it like a universal checkbook ledger where every debit or credit made by anyone who owns Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies or any other process connected to the blockchain like legal contracts or business operations is permanent, visible, and at the same time secure and autonomous. And that is a very powerful combination to change a lot of different things in the way that we do things in industry and in certain markets and with certain technology. Now, companies everywhere are starting to use blockchain technology and accepting Bitcoin as payment, including companies like DirecTV and Expedia and Dell and Microsoft and Dish Network. And even companies like Tesla are now accepting Bitcoin to buy their cars. So it's pretty cool. You have the future of cars that you can pay with the future of money. And that's pretty awesome. So what's next for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and how can you make money? And by money, I mean lots of money, okay? Well, the answer is found in this famous market cycles chart, and it has to do with where we are right now, which is the takeoff phase. Now, I would say that we have a 2 to 3 year window to make some serious cash. In other words, timing really is everything. Now, let me be clear. Not investing in Bitcoin and cryptos is actually more risky than investing in them. Prices, I believe, are about to explode even higher into the stratosphere. And the reason why I know this is based on two words: Wall Street. Okay? Love it or hate it, Wall Street is not asleep on the cryptocurrency market. They're actually jumping in with both guns blazing. As you can see, from 2014 to the end of 2016, the total crypto market cap increased by around $12 billion. Now, in the final quarter of 2017, we're at $500 billion, and it's heading higher by the day. This is a growth of $484 billion in 1 year, which is unheard of for any market. The growth that it took the crypto market to achieve in 3 years has now been multiplied more than 31 times in just a single year. Okay, so how do you make money while this is all happening? Okay, while we're still here at the takeoff stage of this enormous crypto wave and before Wall Street takes over this market. Well, I want to present to you the Insider's Crypto Profit Code. For the rest of this presentation, we're going to focus on 3 areas of profit opportunity. First off, long-term crypto investments. Secondly, short-term crypto trading. And then third, private ICO opportunities. So let's go ahead and look at each one of these.